I'm going to cover installing the theta-client React Native on Windows 11. This is for the Ricoh Theta camera. So I'll copy the HTTP. I'm going to clone it into my repo here. So git clone, and it's the URL of the repo. Now I have theta-client installed. Here, I need to first build the library. So I'll copy it, and I'm going to paste it in. Gradle published to Maven local, and let's see whether it builds. The build succeeded with no problems right here. So I now have the theta-client library available. If you run into problems, make sure that the Android home is set. I'm using Android Studio Electric Eel for the SDK patch level 2. So I'm now in this theta-client React Native. I'm going to click on the make package.sh. I'm going to see that I need Android source and package JSON in this folder called package. So I'm going to change directory into React Native. I'll make directory package. And then I'm going to copy over these 3 files. I'll go back to the command line. I'll go into the demos folder. Go into React Native. Demo - React Native. I'll do yarn install. Yarn install succeeded. I'm going to connect to a Ricoh Theta camera. And I'll do yarn run Android. The build will take a few minutes here. It does open up this separate window. You can basically ignore it and focus on the window that you started the yarn run Android, and we can see the progress here. The build succeeded. The app is initialized. We can attempt to take a photo here. Live preview is flickering. It's a known problem with Android right now. But the picture taking does work. The file is transferred over. Let's try the list photos here. Seems to work good. And we can see the photos that's on the Ricoh Theta camera. Just pulling it right down from the camera. I think in time the take photo live preview here will get fixed. It's just a flickering. I've seen this happen before. It may take a little bit. I think it does work on iOS without the flickering. But the take picture does work, and the library itself does work. So let's discuss this in the forum about how to fix the live preview problem. And we can make our own contributions. Congratulations, you've installed React Native for the Ricoh Theta on Windows 11. Extensive set of videos here on YouTube channel for theta360.guide. This one here, how to install NVM, Node, NPM, and Yarn on Windows 11. So if you have any problems using Yarn or NVM, Node, NPM, you could watch this video. If any problems, just post it to the forum. or open up a GitHub issue on the Rico Theta GitHub repository.